Hello guys, welcome back to another interesting video. Guys, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you. So this story is from Ghana Web and the caption is Black Sherif owns Empire Entertainment $40,000 cedis. So without wasting much of time, let's quickly jump into the main story. On the back of report that Black Sherif has signed a contract with US-based record label Empire Entertainment without the consent of Snap Chavis Wayne, despite the existence of a management contract between the musician and the Ghanaian businessman. A personal assistant to Chavis has said Sherif spent $40,000 on his second Sermon Remix music video. Giving a breakdown on Peace FM's entertainment review, Kwadwo Crystal said the video, which featured Burna Boy, cost $32,000, while the costume of the Nigerian musician and Grammy Awards winner cost $8,000. His video with Burna Boy was $32,000. Empire has advanced $32,000, and then Burna Boy's outfit for the video was $8,000. That makes it $40,000. Crystal said after Kwesi Abuaji, host of the show, had read a part of the contract between Black Sherif and Empire, which stated that Empire agrees to spend, according to an Empire-approved budget of $50,000 to promote and market the content. Asked if that implies Black Sherif owns, Kwadwo Crystal replied in the affirmative amidst suggesting that it was erroneous on the part of Black Sherif to have signed a contract with Empire Entertainment without Chavis' approval. Black Sherif, who won the admiration of several music lovers with his craft, has in the last couple of days been in the news for the wrong reasons. The musician is alleged to have signed a deal with Empire Entertainment, although his management, Snap Chavis Wayne, opposed the deal, a situation which has been considered by Chavis as a violation of contractual obligation. The claim was trumpeted by Kumasi-based disc jockey DJ Slim, who claimed that Black Sherif had moved out from a 7-bedroom house given him by Chavis. Describing Black Sherif as an ingrate, DJ Slim noted that although Chavis gave Black Sherif a vehicle, shoes and other things just so he would be comfortable, the artist had shown gross disrespect towards Chavis. Kwadwo Crystal asseverated that his boss, Chavis, has a 5-year contract with Black Sherif. However, the musician has failed to respect the agreement. We were approached by Black Sherif and his crew that they needed someone to invest in them and manage them. He asked them what they needed. They listed them and he made provisions for them. My boss signed a contract with them on 18th August 2021. The contract was for 5 years, Crystal said in Tree. Giving details of the contract, Crystal said, "We signed a contract to market his product so we get our investment back. Empire brought a deal. My boss perused it but was not happy about the content. Later, we realized that Black Sherif had gone behind us to sign the contract, and that was the beginning of the brouhaha." Meanwhile, Skeff Madonna, the manager of Black Sherif, has refuted Kwadwo Crystal's claim, describing them as lies. Chavis, according to Crystal, is considering a lawsuit. Alright guys, so this story is about Black Sherif and the contract he signed with Chavis Snap. But one thing I know is our boy is shining, so we have to let him shine. We should never allow Black Sherif to be down. He has really worked hard for this opportunity, for this shine. So Ghanaians, we pray for this guy to soar high. We all love Black Sherif, we all love him, and he's never coming down. Forward we are going. Alright guys, thanks a lot for watching. God bless you for subscribing. I love you all. Have a nice day.